Lemon water is lemon juice combined with water, but some people add lemon rind as well. Lemons, citrus limon, are one of the most popular citrus fruits in the world. Lemons are high in vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, iron, fiber, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. They are much higher in potassium than apples or grapes. In this video, we'll look at the 8 amazing health benefits of lemon water. 1. Aid digestion. Lemon juice promotes healthy digestion by loosening toxins in the digestive tract and aids in the relief of indigestion symptoms such as heartburn, burping, and bloating. 2. Promote heart health. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C. According to research, consuming fruits high in vitamin C lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. Lemons' fiber and plant compounds can also significantly reduce certain risk factors for heart disease. 3. It makes your breath smell better. Drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning can help you avoid bad breath. Lemon believes in stimulating saliva, and water helps avoid dry mouth, resulting in bad breath caused by bacteria. Enjoying the video? Feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, and share it with your friends. 4. It helps in the prevention of kidney stones. Lemons contain citric acid, which can aid in the prevention of kidney stones. Citrate, an ingredient of citric acid, paradoxically reduces the acidity of urine and can also dissolve small stones. Drinking lemon water provides you with citrate and the water you need to help avoid or flush out stones. 5. An excellent source of potassium. Potassium is needed for the body to survive. Lemons are rich in potassium, which is needed for nerve-muscle communication, nutrient and waste transport, and blood pressure control. 6. Cleanse your system. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning will flush out all the toxins from your system by improving enzyme activity and stimulating your liver. 7. Flavonoids and antioxidants. Lemons contain vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, and flavonoids, which are plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants are compounds that aid in the protection of the body's cells from damage. Antioxidants decrease the risk of many health problems, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and cancer, by reducing cell damage. 8. Assist in weight loss. Lemons contain pectin, a form of fiber that can help suppress appetite and calorie intake. Lemon's pectin enables you to stay fuller for longer, making weight loss even more manageable. For more informative videos, subscribe and press the notification bell icon to keep up to date with all of our upcoming videos.